Let me guess, your kitchen looks like this. Counters stacked with appliances, drawers filled with gadgets you forgot you even bought, and cabinets so full that things fall out when you open them. Now imagine the opposite. A kitchen so calm, it feels like a meditation space. Clean counters, natural light, only the tools you actually love and use. That's the Japanese minimalist kitchen. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why it feels so peaceful, the 5 design secrets that make it work, and simple steps to bring those ideas into your own home, even if you live in a small apartment. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see your kitchen in a completely different way. Here's the first big secret. Japanese kitchen design isn't just about decoration, it's about philosophy. At its core are 3 ideas. First, This is the Japanese idea of space and balance. In Western design, we often think, fill the space. But in Japanese design, the space between things matters just as much as the things themselves. Empty space is breathing room. It's what gives the room calmness. Second, wabi-sabi, the beauty of imperfection and simplicity. Imagine a slightly uneven handmade ceramic bowl. It's not perfect, but it feels alive. Compare that to a shiny mass-produced one, flawless, but empty of character. Wabi-sabi is about appreciating the natural, the humble, the simple. And third, intention. In a Japanese kitchen, everything has a reason for being there. You won't find a drawer of maybe someday gadgets. If it doesn't serve a purpose, it doesn't stay. These 3 ideas, wabi-sabi, and intention, are why Japanese kitchens feel calm, even when they're small. They're not about less for the sake of less. They're about making room for more meaning. So let's get practical. What are the actual design choices that make Japanese kitchens so unique? Number 1. Neutral colors. Think soft whites, muted grays, and natural wood tones. No screaming neon or overly busy patterns. The palette feels like fresh air for your eyes. Number 2. Natural materials. Japanese kitchens love wood, bamboo, stone, and ceramics. These aren't just visually pleasing, they connect you to nature. Bamboo cutting board or a ceramic cup feels grounding in a way plastic never will. Number 3. Clever storage. Sliding doors instead of swinging ones. Drawers within drawers. Hooks, shelves, and cubbies designed for exactly what you own. Everything has a home. That's why counters look so clean, because clutter is hidden away, not spread everywhere. Number 4. Multifunctional tools. One item, many uses. A single deep ceramic bowl might be used for mixing dough, serving rice, or even displayed as decor. Compare that to Western kitchens, where we buy a gadget for everything: avocado slicers, egg poachers, strawberry hullers, and wonder why we run out of space. And number 5. Clear counters. This one is huge. In Japanese minimalist kitchens, counters are kept almost empty. Maybe just a kettle, a rice cooker, or a cutting board. That's it. When you cook, you actually see the space, not a wall of clutter. When you put these 5 elements together, you get a kitchen that feels effortless. Not just a place to cook, but a place to breathe. So how do you bring Japanese minimalism into your own kitchen? Here are 5 steps you can start today. Step 1. Declutter. Be ruthless. If you haven't used it in 6 months, ask yourself, do I really need it? That bread machine collecting dust? Or the extra blender you forgot about? Out it goes. Step 2. Go natural. Even swapping one plastic item for a natural one makes a difference. Place plastic cutting boards with wood. Try ceramic mugs instead of bulky novelty ones. These small changes instantly elevate the atmosphere. Step 3. Think vertical. Japanese kitchens often deal with tight spaces, so they use shelves, rails, and hooks. Store pans on the wall. Hang utensils. Use stackable shelves inside cabinets. Step 4. Clear the counters. Choose 3 things you use every single day. Maybe your kettle, a rice cooker, and a knife block, and put everything else away. Suddenly, your kitchen feels twice as big. Step 5. Add one natural touch. A small potted plant, a single flower, or even a bowl of fresh fruit. Nature softens the space and makes it feel alive. If you only follow these 5 steps, your kitchen will already feel calmer, lighter, and honestly, more enjoyable to spend time in. Here's something that might surprise you. Many Japanese kitchens are actually tiny. We're talking apartments smaller than some Western living rooms. And yet, they feel spacious. How? Because the design isn't about size, it's about flow. Sliding doors save space. Foldable tables mean dining can appear or disappear when needed. And instead of dozens of gadgets, only the essentials remain. Cooking in a Japanese kitchen feels efficient, not cramped. Everything is within reach, nothing is wasted, and cleanup takes minutes. So if you've been dreaming about knocking down walls or buying a bigger house just to have more kitchen space, maybe you don't need more space. Maybe you just need better design. Here's the real takeaway. A Japanese minimalist kitchen isn't about copying a style. It's about rethinking your relationship with space. When your counters are clear, your mind feels clear. When your tools are natural, cooking feels grounding. And when your space is intentional, your life feels intentional too. So here's my question for you. What's the first change you'd make in your kitchen? Would you declutter your counters, swap plastics for wood and ceramics, or add just one touch of nature? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video gave you ideas, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a calmer kitchen. Because in the end, minimalism isn't about less, done right. Less is freedom, and freedom feels like home.